Well, I finally found a direct fit replacement window that is not a fortune. This is a Maywood window, got on Alibaba. This window is $76, and then shipping probably another 70. But anyway, very nice. You can get 3 options here. The original ones, you can get ones with thumb screws or these, and then you can lock these in at whatever location you want. I absolutely had to do no cutting, nothing. The only thing, there's 8 screws holding the frame onto the frame, it bolts through, and there's 4 screws holding this together. This is the hardware it comes with. I chose not to use it, but you still need 4 longer screws to hold the frame in, or else it won't screw into the aluminum frame. 25 mm M4s by 24 I used, by 25, and 4 M4s by 8 M4 by 25 button head cap screws, and 4 M4 by 35 button head cap screws to install it. And it just squishes in. I didn't put any sealants or anything on it. It had great squish. So these windows have 7 centimeter radiuses, or 70 millimeter radiuses, which is exactly what we want here. I freaked out and I got a window on Amazon, and it turned out to be, I couldn't find a 500. This is a 520, or should be a 520 by 700. I got a 500 by 700 made an adapter, trim adapter. That will be replaced by the 550 by 700 of one of those. So I'll need to cut off a little bit. But that's a project for another day. This is going to get us camping. These are nice though. These have magnets. Don't know who makes, I do know it's on there if you're interested, but I don't recommend these, because you can get the proper radius in that size, in the 500. So you can get these 500 by 700, 550 by 700. Everything is, on the 50s. They're not frameless design like these. These are lighter, but they're also, as you know, very chintzy. So I love them. Might be able to do a group buy if anybody is interested.